Hello everyone, today I'm sharing the core strategies for building wealth from absolute zero. But first, who am I? I am an industrial engineering student and I have been trading and investing since my childhood. Currently, I am developing a new algorithmic trading system for gold. Now, let's dive into our first pillar of wealth building. Most people believe that building wealth is a secret reserved for the elite. They think it requires a massive salary, a stroke of luck, or complex math. But in reality, wealth is not a mystery, it's a system of mechanics. Today, we are going to break down the blueprint of how money actually grows from absolute zero. First and most important rule you must master is the difference between an asset and a liability. Simply put, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out. To build wealth, your primary goal is to acquire assets that generate income while you sleep. Everything else is just an expense discussed as a lifestyle. The first pillar of wealth is the stock market. When you buy a stock, you aren't just betting on a price chart. You are becoming a partial owner of real, productive business. You are hiring thousands of employees and world-class CEOs to work for you. As these companies grow and innovate, your net worth grows with them. But we have to find true companies. This is the main of our build. But every growth strategy needs protection. This is where precious metals like gold and silver come in. Think of these not as get rich quick investments, but as an insurance policy. While currencies lose their purchasing power every year due to inflation, gold has maintained its value for thousands of years. It's your shield in an uncertain financial world. If picking individual stocks feels overwhelming, index funds and ETFs are your best friends. These instruments allow you to own a tiny slice of hundreds of the world's top companies with a single click. It's automated diversification. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy for anyone starting from scratch. So, how does a small amount turn into a fortune? Through the power of compound interest. In the beginning, your progress will feel slow, almost invisible. But as time passes, your money starts making its own money. And that money makes even more. This is the tipping point where wealth becomes unstoppable. I think this is snowball mechanism. I will make a video for mathematical explanation of snowball mechanism. The roadmap to freedom is simple, but it requires discipline. Eliminate high interest debt, build an emergency fund, and start investing consistently no matter how small the amount. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through time and patience. If you are ready to start your journey, subscribe and join me. Let's build your future, one step at a time. See you on next video.